Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. For those of you that have been following my blogs on YouTube, you would have noticed that I had new windscreens fitted in my 205 GTR race cars at the beginning of the season. This is probably the crucial bit. Right, so windscreen going in, look at that.
Going in, just making sure sort of evenly lined up from side to side. So I'll go across to one side and do one corner and then come back. We'll do the other side.
Nice. Well, I've done one race which was circa 15 minutes and I've already got quite a nasty stone chip in this windscreen, which is there. Hopefully the camera picks it up, and that's on the driver's side, so I want to see if I can get that repaired. I'm pretty gutted actually, because I mean it's only done 15 minutes and already quite a nasty stone chip on it. So rather than get a windscreen repairman round who normally charges me about £30, I thought I'd try a repair kit myself. So I've got this Rain-X windscreen repair kit. Chose Rain-X because I use Rain-X for anti-fog and rain repellent on the windscreen, which works really well. So good name, products I've used before are good, so I thought I'd give this one a go. I'll open up the package and see what we've got inside. So I have just cut down the sides. So in here we've got the repair resin, some sort of plunger, instructions on this suction cup applicator apparatus. That obviously screws in there. Okay, so that screws in there, and you can push that down and maybe screw this in as well. Interesting. And instructions, something in here. Okay, we have that looks like it could be a blade and some film strips of some description and instructions, which looks quite easy. Step 1, various languages. Step 1, step 2, oh no, hold on, oh yeah, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. So 7 steps. How long does it reckon it takes to repair them? I'm sure I saw it said it reckons you can do it in 15 minutes. Well, that's what they reckon before and after. Hopefully the camera picks it up. But if I can get that result, I'll be very pleased. Just to make sure that there's no confusion, I didn't see that it says takes about 15 minutes to repair. I don't know where I got that from, but it just says easy to use, takes only minutes. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. So we'll see if we can get it done in minutes. Just reading the instructions, it does say you need to be doing the stone chip repair within a week of the stone chip appearing. This has been about 3 weeks since the stone chip was there, but the car's been in the garage in the dry, so hopefully that won't affect it too much. It also says to do the repair in the shade, so I'm in the garage at the minute, and then once I've finished it says to put the car out in the sun to let the sun's ultraviolet rays cure the resin. Step 1, remove any loose glass fragments with the little scraper blade. Don't think there's anything in there. Get those little white bits out. Step 2, apply the applicator. Make sure that's centre over the hole. That's pretty good. Then says screw the resin chamber into that. Okay, screw that down until it's touching the windscreen. And it says to check it's centered from inside the car, which is a good idea. Yeah, I suppose that's quite key to get that totally centered. Right, that's good and centered now. Okay. Take the alignment from the center. Screw down the resin chamber so the rubber mouth is flat against the windshield. Done that. In complete but gentle contact with glass. Done that. Excessive pressure will alter the original curve of the glass, affecting the flow of the resin. Okay. Step 3. Squeeze 3 to 6 drops of the repair resin into the resin chamber mounted on the windscreen. If the resin leaks out bottom of the chamber, gently turn the resin chamber. Okay. How many drops? 3 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should do. Screw the pressure driver. Where's the pressure driver gone? Here it is. Screw the pressure driver into the resin chamber to drive the resin into the brake. Tighten till the pressure driver is almost screwed all the way. Okay. Check from inside the car to make sure the rubber mouth has opened wide. Okay, yeah, okay. Which it has. Allow the repair resin time to be absorbed into the brake, 4 to 6 minutes, depending on the extent of the damage. If the repair resin has not reached all area of the brake, you may apply heat on the inside of the windshield with a hot air gun or hairdryer. Use caution when applying heat, as excessive heat may cause further damage. Slightly retighten the pressure driver to push the repair resin further into the okay. 5. Unscrew and remove the pressure driver from the resin chamber to release any air trapped in the chamber. Reinsert the pressure driver and screw down again to displace any air remaining in the brake. Unscrew that, reinsert the pressure driver and screw down again to displace any air remaining in the brake. Oops, looks like inside. Pretty good from inside. To determine if the repair resin has been absorbed into the brake, look at the glass from an angle about 45 degrees. Make sure no air bubbles remain in the brake. In case of chips or bullseyes, examine the glass from directly behind the damaged area. The area will appear as dark, green or black areas. If there is any damage still visible, repeat steps 1 and 5 until satisfactory results. Make sure there is enough repair resin remaining in the resin chamber. If necessary, add more repair resin. Okay. After the air has been removed, turn the resin chamber and pressure driver together half a turn. Well, I think we're all good. Directly behind. Driver together half a turn to the left. Remove the entire apparatus by lifting up on the small tabs and suction caps. Gently wipe away excess repair resin from the applicator so it does not drip down the windshield. Add a drop of the repair resin into areas where damage is still visible and cover with a curing strip for the finishing touches. When applying the curing strips of repair, no pressure is necessary. Gently place the strips on the glass. It reckons. Remove that. Remove that. Gently wipe away any excess resin. Add a drop of the repair resin into areas where damage is still visible and cover with a curing strip for the finishing touches. So we've got a little say to just leave that to sort itself out, not to press it. So it says, this is what it actually says, add a drop of the repair resin into areas where damage is still visible and cover with a curing strip for the finishing touches. When applying the curing strips to repair, no pressure is necessary. Gently place the strips on the glass. Exactly what I did. Perfect. And then step 7, when the entire application procedure is complete, move the car into direct sunlight or use an ultraviolet light. Allow the repair resin to cure completely about 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the curing strips. If the repair resin is still wet under the strips, leave the strips in place until the repair resin is dry. Right. And that's all I have to do, leave it in the sunlight. Just leave the strip in place until the resin is dry. It should be dry now. It says to just remove this. Yes, that's dry. Yes, that is dry. And then it says I've just got to scrape that off with the blade. Out of the sunlight, you can just still see a little dimple there, but I'm pretty darn pleased with that. Very pleased. Quite impressed myself. Verdict is very good. I'm very impressed with that. I walked away and I just came back and I actually could not see where the stone chip was, but it's just there. There. It's just a little blemish, but that's brilliant. Like it. And as it said in the instructions, only takes minutes. Probably took 20 minutes, and 10 of that is just waiting for the resin to cure, so it doesn't take very long at all. Yeah, well worth the money. I think I'll look it up, but I think I paid £9.84, and there's enough in there to do probably about 5 repairs, so that works out a pretty good price. £2 a repair. Very good value for money. Recommend it. Okay guys, have a great night, and if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe as well. Many thanks for watching. Bye now.